An object is projected up a smooth slope of angle 30° at 2 meter per second. How far does it go before it comes to rest? So let's say the slope is like that, 30° here, and at this point here at ground the object is given a kinetic energy of half mv square. So that's the velocity with which it is projected upwards in this direction. So that will be the kinetic energy that it has at this point is half mv square, m being the mass of the object. Now as it starts moving upwards, its velocity decreases, so its kinetic energy gets converted into potential energy. So we are considering the slope is sorry, the plane is smooth, so we don't encounter, we don't consider any other energy. So its kinetic energy is being converted to potential energy as it keeps going upwards. Finally, when it reaches at a certain point where its potential energy, let's say this is the height, where its potential energy will equal to the kinetic energy that it was given here. So at this point it will have, at any point, the potential energy is mgh. So this is the kinetic energy and this is the potential energy, and at that point all of its kinetic energy has been converted to the potential energy, and then the velocity becomes zero, so it comes to rest, and after that it comes down because of its potential energy. That's a different story, we won't go there, but we will try to find out when it will stop. So when its kinetic energy has been converted to potential energy totally, so that will be half mv square is equal to mgh. So we don't know the value of mass, we don't need actually, so that's like that. So v square is equal to 2gh. So h is now v square over 2g. So v will be, v square is 4 and 2g is 9.8, so meter. But we need to find actually this distance, how far it goes. So that is x, and this is 30°. So x is what we can write is, let's not write x, so sine 30° will be equal to h over x. So x is h over sine 30°. So instead of h we can write 4 here, 2 times 9.8 times sine 30°. So that will be our x which we want to find. So how far it goes basically. So once we plug in the values we get x is equal to 0.41 meters. So that's how far it will travel before it comes to rest, and after stopping for a while it will come down, so the direction will change.